Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making homemade granola bars. Now with this recipe, you're combining the wholeness of oats with the great flavor of nuts, seeds, and even dried fruits if you want. It's really easy to make, and I can't wait to show you how. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. We're gonna first line a 9 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper. And in a large bowl, we're going to stir together 3/4 to 1 cup's worth of creamy peanut butter with 2/3 cups worth of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Mixing those until they're well combined and smooth. Following this, we're going to add in 2.5 cups worth of whole rolled oats, 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons worth of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of cashews that have been chopped into the bowl and stir. Keep stirring this until a smooth batter forms and the ingredients are well distributed. Transfer this to the prepared baking pan, and then you want to place a second piece of parchment paper on top of the batter and firmly press the ingredients into the pan uniformly. Transfer this to your fridge for at least 1 hour to chill. After the chilling time, you can remove them from the pan and slice these into bars. And with that final step, these are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made homemade granola bars right at home. This is a chewy version. It makes plenty depending on how small you chop it up. These should be stored in the fridge once they're made until they're ready to serve. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make homemade granola. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And please feel free to become a member of the channel as well. It helps support future recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make a really amazing sauce that pretty much pairs with anything, my cashew sauce. Well, thanks again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe. You can always catch more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.